This is nature biofilm, NBF. Let's print something on it using eco-friendly inks. Yummy. Now it's waste. But let's recycle it and give back to nature. The next steps are collecting bio-waste, composting and biodegradation. The process takes 45 days. The products of the process are water, CO2 and humus, a kind of soil organic matter, which is used to fertilization of agricultural fields. Growing plants take in carbon dioxide from the ground and air. Humus thrown onto the fields enriches the soil with microelements for subsequent crops. Thank you for your attention.